Are you sure? Are you sure about that? Are you sure of what you said? Are you sure that he is not coming? I've had so many problems with my new car. It's driving me crazy.
Are you sure you don't want to buy a new one? How can I? I already spent a lot of money on this one. I guess you'll be spending a lot of money on repairs then. I guess so. Unless you want to buy the car. No thanks. I don't think I'd want to buy your car. It has too many problems. No thanks. I don't think I'd want to buy your car. It has too many problems.